Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a horizontal line in Google Docs. First, open the Google Docs. There are two ways to do this. The first method is to go to the Insert tab, where you will see horizontal line as one of the options in the drop-down menu. Clicking this will insert a very basic thin black horizontal line. If you like something more customizable, you can use the second method. Go to the Format tab, choose Paragraph Style, then select Border and Shading. Click on it, and once you have entered the Border and Shading menu, you will see all the options available. I want my horizontal line to appear directly below the text, so I will click that option. Here you can adjust the line width, choose between solid or dash style, and even change the color if you like. And once you have customized your line, click Apply, and your line will appear on the page. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.